Welcome to #quiz tutorials. We're going to take you through a quick tutorial now about writing quiz questions into the HQ.FM system. You'll notice on the left hand side there's two places where you can actually write quizzes. You've got under quiz management or via the quiz database. Now if you go via the quiz database, it's called create quiz. First things first, write your quiz name in there. I'm going to call this one general knowledge. And then select what category is it, because later on you might want to recall your quiz, and we do that by a category. So it's just general knowledge for us. Okay, decide how many questions that you want and how many rounds that you want. Now this isn't set in stone, you can change it around later if you want to. You can do different amounts of rounds or different amounts of questions per round if you want. We're going to click one question and one round, hit the save once, and then you've saved your quiz. You'll notice quite a few things when you open it back up. When you write in a question, you can actually at this point as well award a certain amount of points to the question. You can also change the points later on, so don't worry about it too much. You can also set the time limits, anything from 10 seconds to infinity. And to make life easier, we've had on both of these functions apply to all in this round. Just makes things a little bit simpler. Now insert an image if you'd like an image. Insert it here. If it's an image question, that's where it goes. If there's no image associated with the question, it doesn't really matter. You don't have to upload an image. It's not compulsory. Then you need to decide what type of answer you want. Is it multiple choice? Do you want a sequence questions? Do you want an awesome numeric question? Or the letter question? The first letter of the first word. Now you'll notice there's a couple of plus buttons on the page. So you can add rounds by simply hitting the top plus button. That'll add one more round, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, as many rounds as you like. And on the left hand side you'll see a green plus button. That's how you add more questions. Once you've added the questions or the amount of questions into the system that you desire, if you wanted to change the order of the questions, you can just drag and drop them as well. Now if you want to change which round they're in, you can just drag and drop them into a different round. It's entirely up to you. Now you can save your quiz at any point and come back to it later. You don't need to worry about it. You won't lose any of your data. In order to play your quiz, you've got to publish the quiz because we see save as being a draft. When you're saving a draft, you can go back to it later when you're ready and hit the publish button. Now remember, if you don't want your content or data to go into the Hive, uncheck the box. Now, I hope this tutorial has been really useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to #quiz. It's really affordable and hopefully you'll have a great time using the system. There's loads more tutorials for you to have a look at. Happy quizzing!